Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be sharing with you Einstein's theory of relativity found in the Bible. Just the basic special relativity explanation. The simplest form is that time is not absolute. And that actually the Bible reveals this concept. In the Bible, time can be a literal day, a day for a year, it can be a day for 1,000 years, or it can be an indefinite period of time. For a definite period of time, a day for a year, Ezekiel says, "And when thou hast accomplished them, lie again on thy right side, and thou shalt bear the iniquity of the house of Judah 40 days. I have appointed thee each day for a year." So here, time is a little bit relative. It's not necessarily a literal day, but a day can equal a year. And a day can also equal 1,000 years. In 2 Peter 3:8 says, "But beloved, be not ignorant of this one thing, that one day is with the Lord as 1,000 years, and 1,000 years as one day." And the fourth concept is that a day can represent an indefinite period of time. It has no beginning and no end. So kind of more, we can think on the eternal scale as well. But for this context in Ecclesiastes 7:14, it's an unspecified period of time. It may not be eternal, but just an unspecified period of time. In the day of prosperity, be joyful, but in the day of adversity, consider. God also has set the one over against the other, and the end that man should find nothing after him. The day of prosperity is really an undefined period of time, but it's a range where prosperity reigns. And then there's an unspecified period of time, a period of time where adversity is seen. So again, a day can be a literal day, a day can represent a year, a day can represent 1,000 years, and it can also be seen as an indefinite period of time. There are other examples for each one of these in the Bible as well, but I'll leave those for you to discover on your own. And I hope you enjoy this little fun science fact where science and the Bible blend together.
Don't forget to subscribe and like, and remember, sharing is caring, so you can forward this to a friend.